What is going on YouTube? It's Cooper. I'm filming another YouTube video, and today, just cruising around the old Macatita village. Just waiting for my friends to come out so we can get it on with IKW, where it will be making his in-ring debut, STG versus Money Kid versus the junior of Shinsuke Nakamura. That's gonna be the battle of the juniors. It's gonna be. I am obviously gonna be Shinsuke Nakamura Jr. Bryce is gonna be Battle Cat Jr. And Jeffrey. Who will he be? John Cena Jr. And Jeffrey will be his name is John Cena. So guys, leave a like if you like this content. If you could get this up to, if we could get a like on it, I will have me versus Bryce versus Jeffrey video posted in less than an hour. So see, goodbye. Leave a like if you want more content like this. Peace.